The synergy of AI and robotics, a glimpse into the future. The fusion of artificial intelligence, AI, and robotics is a technological marvel that has the potential to reshape our world. This synergy promises to bring about a new era of innovation, efficiency, and convenience, while also raising important questions and challenges. In this document, we will explore the possibilities and consequences of combining AI with robotics. 1. Improved automation. AI-powered robotics will revolutionize industries, from manufacturing to healthcare. These robots can perform tasks with unparalleled precision and consistency, leading to increased productivity and quality. 2. Enhanced personal assistance. From household chores to personal healthcare, AI-driven robots can offer support to individuals. Devices like smart home assistants and robot caregivers can improve the quality of life for many, especially the elderly and disabled. 3. Advanced healthcare. Robotic surgery and AI-assisted diagnostics will become more accurate and accessible. Surgeons can perform complex procedures with the assistance of AI, reducing human error and enhancing patient outcomes. 4. Autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars and delivery drones are prime examples of AI and robotics integration. These technologies have the potential to reduce accidents and improve transportation efficiency. 5. Human-machine collaboration. Collaborative robots, or cobots, will work alongside humans in various settings, augmenting our capabilities. These machines can handle repetitive or dangerous tasks, allowing humans to focus on more creative and complex aspects of their work. 6. Ethical and social challenges. The rise of AI and robotics raises ethical dilemmas, such as job displacement, privacy concerns, and the ethical treatment of robots. Addressing these issues will be crucial to ensure a responsible integration of these technologies. 7. Legal and regulatory frameworks. Governments and organizations will need to establish clear regulations and guidelines to ensure the safe and responsible use of AI and robotics. These frameworks will cover issues like liability, data protection, and ethical standards. 8. Technological advancements. The development of AI and robotics will accelerate, leading to innovations that are difficult to predict. This ever-evolving landscape will continue to challenge our understanding of technology and its potential. 9. Economic impact. The integration of AI and robotics will have profound economic implications. While it may disrupt certain industries, it will also create new opportunities and jobs in the development, maintenance, and operation of these technologies. 10. Environmental benefits. AI-driven robotics can contribute to sustainability by optimizing energy use, resource management, and waste reduction. Smart systems can help address environmental challenges. In conclusion, the combination of AI and robotics is a transformative force that promises to improve various aspects of our lives, from healthcare to transportation and beyond. However, it also comes with ethical, social, and economic considerations that must be carefully navigated. As we move forward, striking a balance between technological progress and responsible deployment will be essential to harness the full potential of this exciting partnership. The future will be shaped by how we manage and embrace the synergy of AI and robotics. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment, like, subscribe, and share the video.